Hello guys, first of all I welcome you all to this interview question series. We are seeing some Tableau related interview questions and we already completed the 4 sets regarding that, and this is set 5 and we are continuing with that trend. So let's get started. The first question of the today's session is, name the different products Tableau offers. Okay, so there are different products that Tableau offers, such as desktop, reader, public and server. Okay, so the public is the free version of Tableau where you can just practice some of the stuff that Tableau offers and then move ahead with the any of the paid ones like desktop or reader or server. Clear? Next question we have for the day, how to get the current date and time. So in order to get the current date and time, we have a function called now is there. So we can utilize this function to get the current date and time. So date and time is a field which is consists of a date part and time part. Date part consists of the year, month and day, and time part consists of the hour, minute and second. And with respect to now function, it will fetches us the date time part, which is also called a timestamp. Clear? Let's move towards the other question I have. What are the reasons for slow performance in Tableau? Okay, so one of the reasons is data source is slow in itself. Okay, this might be because of your CSV file is too long or too big, or your database is old for reading. You can improve the Tableau experience by following the way, such as use extract mode for that, limit the amount of data you bring in, both rows and columns, switch data source using the extract function, pre-aggregate your data before bringing it into Tableau. We can use the various kind of tricks for that. Either we can use the data source filter, or we can use something like LOD expression to do the pre-aggregations and all sort of things. Clear? So next question we have for the day, which function is used to return the number of items in a group? So the count function is used to return the number of items in the group we have. It's an aggregate functions we have in the Tableau. Next question, define sets. Okay, so sets are the most important functionality in the Excel, and you may confuse it with the groups as well. So let's define the set at the first place. What the set is? Sets are used to define the subset of a data depending on the certain condition. There are orders and others ways to create the set based on the filter that you already mentioned. So these are called the set, which is a subset of a data, a part of a data. Okay, then next question we have, what do you mean by groups? Okay, a mixture of dimension members that makes a higher level categories. Groups are used to calculate the fields. So it's a collection of fields which can make the higher level categories called a group. Okay, next, explain Tableau data server. So establishing you to share and upload data, extract and reuse calculations and fields metadata. Okay, Tableau data server makes connecting the data transparent and much easier. That's called as a Tableau data server. Next question, difference between the measure and dimension. The most important question we have for the day, measure and dimensions. So first we look for the measures. Generate accesses when added to rows and column shelves. Okay, then dependent on variable, then stored in a table that has foreign keys, then we have a unit analyzed by dimension table. So this is called my measures. What is dimensions? A descriptive attribute value defines a multiple characteristics. Generate data when added to rows and column shelves. Independent variables considered more complex. So this is called a dimension. So measure and dimension, the basic difference is that measure is a continuous field, whereas dimension is a discrete one or categorical one. Okay, this is called the basic difference between measure and dimension we have. Next question we have for the day, which chart have you worked on? So this is related to the project questions. So if you are presenting the Tableau project to the interviewer, this question might ask you. So how to tackle these questions? So these are the frequently used chart you can mention when presenting the report or saying that I have worked with respect to building some dashboard in the organization and I have used bar and line chart, Pareto chart, Gantt chart, box and whiskers plot, which is a inbuilt chart, but Pareto chart is a customized chart. We have to build it. Then there is a waterfall chart is there, is also a customized chart. Then donut chart is there, again customized chart. Funnel chart, which is also a customized chart, and dual axis chart. So these are the charts. We can just say that these are charts I have used. Along with that, there are pretty important charts are there, such as scatter plot is there. Okay, scatter plot is there. There is one bar chart, column chart. Okay, then there is a discrete line chart, continuous line charts are there. Okay, so table, matrix and tree maps are also there. Those are the most important charts we have with respect to building the visualizations we have. Clear? Next question we have for the day: what is the maximum number of tables that can be joined in the Tableau? Okay, if you are using the version which is earlier than 2020, let's suppose 2019 version, 2017 versions, then the data modeling concept may not be there with respect to that version. So data modeling concept may be introduced in the after 2020. So if you are giving an interview, and especially if you are giving the interview based on the Tableau version 2019, then this question might be a throw up to you. Okay, so the maximum number of tables that can be joined in the Tableau is 32. The table size is restricted to 255 columns only. So these are the restrictions we have with respect to Tableau. And after the 2019 versions, the joins concept is not there in the Tableau. We can build a data model with respect to that. Clear? Next question we have for the day: what is a Tableau data engine? Okay, so Tableau data engine is an interface to extract all data from the machine and ensure the fastest response time. After the task is completed, the Tableau data engine can unleash its memory. So it's just an extraction data engine to get the fastest response time. Clear? Next question we have: what is a Tableau server repository? Okay, it is a database that stores server data like information about a server users, groups and assignments, permission, projects, data sources. It also extracts metadata and refreshes information. So this is my Tableau data repository. Clear? Next question we have for the day: what is the different types of dimensions? Okay, what are the different types of dimensions we have? So we have a slowly changing dimensions are there, rapidly changing dimensions are there, junk dimensions are there, infer dimensions are there, confirm dimensions are there, degenerated dimensions are there, role playing dimensions are there, shrunken dimensions are there, and static dimensions are there. So these are the different dimensions types are there with respect to Tableau. Okay, so the slowly changing dimensions are the another important interview questions for you guys if you are wanted to prepare for advanced stuffs. Okay, next question we have: what is truth table? Okay, the truth table is a collection of facts determining the truth or fallacy of a proposition. It works as a complete theorem prover, and it's three type. It has a three type: accumulated truth table, photograph truth table, and truthless fact table. So this is the these are the types, and this is the definition of truth table we have. Clear? Next question we have: what are the default geographical roles? Okay, this is one of the among the most frequently asked Tableau interview questions we have, and with respect to geographical types, so default geographical roles are code US, CBSA, MSA US code, then General Assembly District US code. So these are the codes by default generated with respect to Tableau when we are working with the geographical data such as latitude, longitude. Okay, and along with that there are some others ones like cities, country, region, countries separate code is there, then state and provinces are there. So these are the codes we have with respect to communicating the geographical insights. Clear? Next question we have, what is hierarchical field? Okay. Tableau hierarchical field is a data model that organizes data into a tree-like structure, where data is stored as a records connected to one another through links. Tableau hierarchical field enables viewing the data at a more granular level. Clear? That is the hierarchical field we have with respect to Tableau. Next, how to do performance testing in Tableau? Okay. Performance testing can be done by loading Tableau or testing Tableau server with the Tabjolt, which is the point and run load generator for QA, quality assurance. While Tabjolt sets a baseline, one can also use workbooks having calculations and use extract as a data source for testing. So this is how we can just do the performance testing with respect to Tableau. Clear? Final question we have for the day. What is a assume referential integrity? Okay. Assume referential integrity helps us to improve the query performance. When the user select assume referential integrity option, Tableau will include the joined table in the query if it is suggested by the fields in the view. So that's the assume referential integrity we have with respect to Tableau. Okay, so that's all question we have for the day, guys. So we will meet in the another interview questions. Till then, have a nice day.